Damn, that's what I look like. So, I haven't been riding in forever. Alright, we were riding with D-Pops. D-Pop. Let's just go straight. I know he said to go left, but I want to try to avoid this main road. How do you like that? It looks big. It's big, yeah. How is this street legal? There's no mirrors. No mirrors, no turn signals. I guess he took it off. Race you on the green. Instant torque, baby. Let's go. Swap. Okay, that one's an eco. Kill switch is on. How does this work? Yeah, I think I got neutral. Alright. Stalled. Okay, so the kill switch is on. You gotta flip that red. Yep. And then on the side, there's gonna be a little ready button. On the right side throttle, hit it with your front finger. It's gonna be on the side. On the front, it's ready. So now, once you hit the throttle, you're gone. Yeah, okay, I'm in neutral. God. How the fuck do you start? That? Woo! Oh shit! What the fuck? What the fuck? I don't even know what gear I'm in. I think I'm in second. Yo, I need one, I need one! What the hell? Oh, is that a cop? Is that not a cop right there? Let's flip around. I don't trust that. He's parked like right there. It's very, very shaky. Like, oh my god. I can feel my hands, my legs, everything is vibrating. Whoa! That's fun. I need a dirt bike. Holy shit. It just shakes a lot. It's way bigger than the Surron. Let's go like up towards a mountain, and then I'm gonna open Google Maps. He had no clue what I said. That's where the cop was. That's where we need to go. I need a gas bike, bro. They're so fun. They're so freaking fun. Although I can't do this on a gas bike. I can't even hear the gas bike behind me. I don't even hear it. Probably the wind noise. What happened? What happened? You didn't come with me. He was letting you through. Stall. I got a signal. So you know how to ride dirt, right? It's gonna be bumpy. So the only way to stop your head and vision from being shaky is by standing up. Because your legs need to absorb the shock. I'm going to hit this jump right here. What the fuck? We're going to swap. So eco you push in, daily you go down, and then sport you go up. Is this in gear? I think it's in gear. Oh boy. I gotta get used to stalling. Woo-hoo-hoo! I don't even know what to say, bro. It's so fun, bro. The Pops is way back there, bro. This is cool. There's nothing out here. It's just dirt. I'm rev matching. Oh boy. What's your battery at? It says it right there.
What's it say, though?
I don't know. You'll be fine. Let's go. You want to go this way or up the hill? Let's do the hill climb. Hill climb on a dirt bike. Uh-oh. How was it? Yeah, I think that has more power than this. I like this dirt bike. Is this the thing that gets hot? Oh my god. I could probably just go down this thing in first, bro. I don't need none of that. Yo, I need a gas bike like real bad. I kind of like the fact that you have to focus on shifting gears. Unlike on a Surron, all you have to do is focus on riding. But this one, you just have to like maintain knowledge of what to do and where to shift and when. Alright, let's swap. I want to ride my Surron. Surron feels tiny now, what the hell? They're both good sized bikes though. Like I'm comfortable on this. I gotta get used to the no clutch gang. That's something like instant torque, bro. No gears, you can just go. But I do like gears, but I also like going. It's like a love-hate relationship with both of them. Oh, he's taking off. Oh boy, that's a hill climb. Oh, he's going for it. You good? That was cool. You okay? You're not hurt? And I saw you going for it, and I was like, oh no. Yeah. Well, on this, because you got to shift gears, right? On the Surron, you could just.
Yeah.
Well, that was cool. Here's your first crash. That always happens. Old ass man wrecks out on a rental. Be the title of my video. Okay. Let's see if I can do it. I'll come right down. Although you did take the rockiest path. All right, I'll try it. No, it is kind of hot in these helmets. Overheating a little bit. Yeah, easy, bro. That's what a Surron's for. Suspension ate that. I swear I've ridden here before. I think I have. I just probably don't remember. But I recognize these places, like, you know, now that I'm thinking about it,
Yeah.
I probably should have put water in the bike. I'm gonna see if we can go somewhere else. Could I try the gas one again? So this might be a little rocky uphill. So just try to keep momentum. Oh, what the Fortnite balls, bro. Hell nah, bro. I don't even know where I'm going, so. Well, I guess we could go back there and climb the mountain. All right, let's do it. We should probably start heading back at like maybe 50. So, it's nice up here. It's raining. Pretty cool. Let's go over there. I've never been up to this part. Ultra B's hanging in there, bro. Way more torque, though. I kind of have to take a There's cactus up here. No way. What do we got here, bro? A bunch of parts, looks like. The frick? He thinks he lost me. But he can't hear me because I'm behind him because this thing's silent. I don't know where to go. I'm kind of stuck in this thing. Oh my god, there's so many houses, bro. It has parking brake on, so if you squeeze the rear brake, it'll let go. Oh! It's a rental, baby! I feel everything shaking, bro. Holy crap. Like all my arms, my feet, my ass, it's all shaking. Yes, sir. There's a ninja coming by. There's a motorcycle. I don't want to swap. That looked like a cop car. Yeah, so I let it by. Oh, what the fuck? Oh, dead snake. I gotta blur that out. Oh, feels good to be back, baby. What the? They got a whole ass water park in their backyard. What? Missed our turn again. I'm just having too much fun doing. Holy power. All the way. Woo! Let's race. Yeah, just the end of the road. Let's race, all right? On the third horn. Oh, there's a car, wait. 1, 2, 3, and on the third you go. Bye bye. I smoked you. Oh fuck. It just broke.